Hey, good morning. Francois here, founder and chief medical exercise specialist with the Pink Clinic. Are you sitting up straight right now? Since I'm talking about moving your body this month, here's why you may want to check your posture throughout the day. And especially if we spend a lot of time sitting. I notice I've been doing a little bit more sitting now with a few of my courses I'm going through. However, that said, research has shown that posture can impact our mood, our focus, our energy, and our confidence as well. So that's why I want to spend a little bit of time speaking about posture and mood with you this morning, because posture does affect whether we're more likely to recall negative or positive memories as well. Interesting, right? That's kind of some cool research. So how does this relate to maybe, our overall health and wellness? Because the whole purpose of doing more movement is to improve our mobility and it is to feel better, right? And although we normally focus on things like maybe, eating better or to help with our muscle tissue to be healthier and stronger, there are simple things that we can do right now, like adjusting our posture. Oh, yeah, okay, let's adjust. That can have an immediate impact on how we feel as well. Think so? You should try it out. All right. That said, here we go. Let's go through a couple different things that we could work on for improving the posture. All right. So, you know, one of those approaches I do take with some of my clients, and it's not only what they will achieve, like feeling better, moving better, improve mobility, but it's also enjoying the process and how it makes them feel. Some other easy adjustments to consider are maybe sipping more water throughout the day, because this could help immediately to boost our mood, improve our focus, and even ease muscle soreness and stiffness. And it's also maybe taking a couple of minutes to practice deep breathing every 3 hours. This is a great way to ease ourselves to regular just relaxation without overwhelming ourselves about how will we get to be more relaxed. And it could immediately help to release some stress and help some refocus as well. So it's processes that I do with my clients, with my clients as well, to help out throughout their days. So it's not just about one singular focus thing, although health and wellness is, but it's these other simple things, right? Look, next up, I'll talk more about how to make everyday activities easier, safer, and less painful, and how to stay strong and flexible for life as well. So I invite you to stay tuned, follow me. You can find me at theotherpainclinic.com. That's the website, Facebook page, The Other Pain Clinic, and YouTube channel at The Other Pain Clinic. All right. Take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.